got into software, which was like a much better fit with sculpture because it's like similar in a way. People would say, how can you do that? It's so different from art. But to me, it's like very similar because with software, there's 1,000 elements in a program, for instance, and they all have to interrelate in a certain way for things to work. Well, with sculpture, there's 1,000 elements formally, and they have to relate in a certain way for it to work. So it's just using different parts of you.
So you were in a day job, you were in a day job that actually helped you become a better artist.
I would say it didn't burn me out for art.
It didn't burn you out, that's good.
Yeah, a lot of artists, they take day jobs that are art related, and then when they're done in the day, they don't have anything left to work on art with.